it's Aditi Sharma. This video is going to all about editing. How I edit my picture just using a Picsart. Hope you guys found this video helpful. And also this is my Instagram handle. Please follow me there. So without a further ado, let's get into the video. The pics which I edited from Picsart, and if you want to learn, then watch this video till the end. So starting with my first edit, for this of course you need to open first Picsart and then select the plus option and add a picture which you want to edit. Then select the sticker option and search for old phones. So there will be many stickers coming up. You can select it according to you. I selected this one, and now just adjust it according to your needs. And yes, you are done with your first edit. And now let's move on the second. Hope you guys are enjoying it and also found easy. So again, for this, open Picsart, select your picture and then go with the sticker option. And then select the golden hour sticker. And now adjust it according to your needs. Just play with the opacity and you are done with the effect which are now so trending on Instagram. And now select the mask option and select this one. And again just adjust according to your needs and then just download your pic and you are done with your second edit too. So coming to third one. So again select your pics which you want to edit. Then go to a sticker and search for sky background. And then opacity को थोड़ा कम कर दीजिए. उसके बाद you can just select that erase option. Again select the sticker and type pink cloud and select according to you. And then just adjust in your pic according to your need and according to your preference. And now again go to sticker and search for the paint brush. And just add on this area and just edit it, erase it, restore it according to preference and needs. Again go to the sticker and add and search for the air balloons. let's come into the fourth one. So before moving it, check it once. Have you subscribed my channel yet? If don't, then do subscribe for more such videos and also like it. So yeah, coming back to fourth one. So for the fourth one, just the wall changing. It's also now in trend. Today, hope you guys found this video helpful in some ways and have learned some new skills. Also, I'm not so professional in editing a picture, just learning it, and I thought why not share with you all. And also I was getting lots of DM how I edit my picture, so I thought why not make a proper video on it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Till then, bye guys.